Yes, the sun is really hitting my face. I don't know how to do this thing, but I might look a little lighter than usual. Today I'm gonna do a hair review on Hairinbeauty. I ordered this hair last Friday, and I just got it today on Wednesday. And I wanted to say I'm sorry for being gone for a while. I don't know if you guys really care, but you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna open this up. This is my first time opening it. It comes in this bag. How it looks when it comes in. This is my first time opening it. So I'm gonna open it. Okay. So it comes in a purple bag. I like. Okay. Yeah. And it's like a Ziploc baggie, something like that. I'm gonna open it. And I got a 12, 14, and 16 with the 8-inch closure. Okay. This is what the closure looks like. It looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna open this one last. Okay, let's pull out a bundle. Oh, it comes with lashes. I might use it, I might not. Okay, let's pull out the 12-inch. This is the 12-inch. This is the 14-inch. And this is the 16-inch. Pretty darn long for 16. Yeah, and it comes in this bag. I already probably said that. Okay, let's open up the 12-inch.
That's 12 inches? Oh, you got 12, 14, 16.
And I'm making this into a wig, so I haven't seen a lot of hair reviews on this, so, you know, I'm just helping them out, you know. And the width, ooh, this hair is soft.
Instagram models be like,
This hair is soft, y'all.
why you go like that for?
It's in the thing, like this.
Oh, I hate that.
Big.
Hairline.
Big. You stop?
I wasn't gonna open it, girl. I was looking how long it was. They gonna pull my braids out.
Stop?
Short.
I always do 14, 16. I mean, I always do 12, 14, 16. So, anyways, no, I didn't. Never in my life ever got 18. This hair is good. It smells like hair. Nothing bad about it. It's pretty full. Good bundle. Oh yeah.
Why are you licking my hair?
I didn't get any shedding.
No.
None. And it's natural black too. It's actually black. That's actually there. Oh yeah, and then they have this over it to hold it up. And then they have like this gold thing around it and some more rubber bands. Secure this up, don't they? Okay, now let's look at the closure. The most important part of the wig. hair is soft. And I got a 3-part closure. I think this is pre-plucked already. I think this is pre-plucked. Some nice hair. And it's straight. I'll probably straighten it better out when I get my hair done. Pretty darn good. It's already brown. It's like my color. It's already my color. You don't have to dye it or nothing.
What do we do first? Backpack across Europe or mission to Mars?
3-part closure. It's pretty full to me. This is my first time with a closure, so like I'm a little new to this. But it looks pretty full to me. The ends look pretty healthy. It kind of feels a little different, but it, you know, I never had a closure before, you know. So it's, you know, I like it. I could play this all day. I'll probably be like this.
Class, I'd like to remind you that tomorrow is poetry day.
Oh my gosh.
You should have selected a poem to perform for the class.
I have Mr. Gore. My poem is called Eyeballs.
This hair is pretty good.
Oh, well, that sounds very...
And this is the 8-inch closure.
Okay, darkness. I'm gonna spend it night.
Overall, I would say
Give me a breath.
I would rate this a 9 out of 10. Because I was scared at first. Their service is a 10. They kept me up to date. But the reason why I rated it as a 9 out of 10 is because
That's what I was going for.
it's not because of the hair company. It's because of the shipping part. I was confused. At first, it was like the hair's coming on
Poetry day is tomorrow.
freaking Friday at the end of the day. I was so scared, y'all. When I tell you I emailed them and everything, I emailed them. They replied back fast too. So that was one reason why I did it at 9 out of 10. Only because of the shipping part. Otherwise, this hair is 10 out of 10. And then I will be doing another video when I style the hair and make it into a wig. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got everything I needed to know about this hair. If the hair is from the hair link will be down below in the description box and my links all over again. And yeah, this hair is good. It is cheap, and I only spent I think $62 on this hair. So yeah, it's a pretty good hair. Alright, y'all have a nice day. See y'all later. Peace.